So here's an interesting app which is called Paired Couples and Relationship. So it's interesting app for growing your relationship, and in this app you can add yourself and your partner and you can just grow together. This app is especially really good for improving some vibes, some communication misses, something like that. So in this app you can love more, stress less. Paired is your guide to improve communication, stay connected, and deepen intimacy as a couple. With daily questions feature, you get a fun question to answer every day with your partner. Each question comes with a research-based fact of why answering it will help your relationship, and only by answering the question yourself can you unlock your partner's answer. So that's about it. So answer fun research-based questions with your partner each day to bring you closer together. New questions are available daily. Play couple games. Pair your partner's app by sharing your unique codes with each other. There are a lot of couple exercises. And they also said that this app is not, still it's kind of fun, and it's not like a super serious like health advice or stuff like that. But yeah, it can boost your relationship, or just you can experiment with it. Anyhow, this is the app. This is how the home screen looks like. This is a free version because they offer also like a paid subscription. So here you can have some like welcome games. You can have favorite things. Answer 5 questions on your and your partner favorite scene. When your partner answers the game, you will get a score based on how well you guess their answers. Compare your scores and challenge your friends if you wish. So for example, I want to play this. It's movie night. Which would you pick? Which would you grab first? You and your partner win a free gift. Which do you pick? So, and then just select what's your favorite thing to do. So something like that, and then now answer the same questions about your partner, and then you can just explore that. For example, that's what you can do. Now pair with your partner to compare answers with them, and then you need of course to invite your partner. So to invite partner, of course you need to add your profile photo, and then you can share your code with your partner, so they can just enter this code, and that's basically how that might work. So that's the idea. In top right you have this fire icon, which is like streak. You can see your activity calendar, and that's the idea that once in a while you're just doing these quizzes, just answering some of these questions and stuff like that. And by doing this, you are not like running away from your relationship, you keeping it active. You have this these ideas around it. So that's and it helps out a lot of people, because if some partner is shy or there is some issue, or all of that, this kind of like stupid apps can maybe really help. And maybe you go into some like couple therapy or stuff like that, or even if you don't know, if you have like very healthy and balanced relationship, this kind of app can boost in it. So then you can also explore different conversation and quizzes by different areas: communication, conflict, intimacy, connection, meaning, growth, money, finances, fun, excitement, home and work, family and friends, questions, game, exercises, packs, quizzes. Then you can see some conversations by expert. So you can see, answered, unanswered. So, but to see that, you need to sign up for a paid subscription. There is a free trial. You can you can start with 7-day free trial, and then that's $74.99 per year, $6.25 per month for you and your partner. So that's that. Also, you have chat here, pair with your partner to discuss your answers here. So basically, you can just invite your partner, and this is the special chat just for this app. Of course, you are chatting a lot with your partner on WhatsApp or Messenger or whatever. But here you can just discuss these questions, have fun. Maybe you can just have some area where you disagree with each other, and you can take a quiz in it and have conversation around it. Then also you have answers and previous games here in this section, which you can try. Then there is Us tab in the bottom right, where you can see all of the details, where you can add car, photo, profile photo, couple, anniversary. You can add personal information, you can add some couple information. So here you can do that. You can add profile photo. You can add some special day. You can see your activity, your calendar, and your badges. You need to complete challenges to start earning badges. So here you can just, the more active you are, the more badges you have. It's more like a gamification area. And then you have the Jira icon in top right, where you can edit your personal information. You can edit your name, like add some additional information. You can add some information here. What happens if you really want to try and sign up for premium? An original daily conversation every day, 1,000+ couple questions, quizzes, and games, all relationship exercises from experts. And because some of the exercises, as you have seen, were locked, and you can only access them with the premium. Then what else? There is like a screen lock. When enabled, you will be prompted to use your device's security settings to unlock part each time you open the app. So you can do that. You can contact support here. Just tap in the top right to open a ticket, and you can do that. If you are not happy with the app, you can just delete your account. But be careful here. You are deleting all of your data, progress, and relationship history is impaired. If you are paired with your partner, they won't be able to see your answers anymore. If you have a premium subscription, you will still need to delete it from your Apple or Google ID. So that's basically it. And to delete an account, just switch this toggle on and tap delete my account in the bottom. So something around that. And after tapping this button, your account will be deleted. That's it. So just be careful. If you have been using this app for a long period with your partner, your account will be deleted with all the history and all of that. So just be careful there. But it's good that the app offers this possibility to delete right from the app. I don't need to reach out to support many times, all of that. So that's the app basically. It's recent times it's in top charts in the App Store for different categories. 34,000 reviews, 4.7 out of 5 average rating. It says there are some critical reviews, you have to buy everything, but it says great for communication. My partner and I have been using this app for almost a year, and we both have a lot of fun using it. It's definitely improved over the last few months, and I think it's great resource for couple trying to communicate. Great. Fun, but way too expensive. It just says, some people are unhappy that you need to upgrade for a lot of features. Just very expensive. Doesn't work, a bit limited. For charged yearly. There are people complaining that there is usually just yearly charge instead of just monthly. So The main disadvantage, to be honest, is that it says it's a bit too expensive. So there you have it. So you need to acknowledge that. You can also lose your history if you lose phone and stuff like that. So yeah, you can always reach out support@pirate.com. But anyhow, definitely a good app, and maybe it's expensive, but can be a good investment to investigate some communication in your relationships. And hope that is helpful. Thank you for watching.